Hi, I'm Nadia Dunn. Welcome to CCL TV. Joining me today is Jason from the CCL Business Development team. Thanks so much for being here. It's been a while since Dubai.
Yes, it is. Nice to meet you again, Nadia.
Yeah, lovely to see you. Now, you've just been in Vegas with Sheragim, and you have been at the Reverse Logistics Association Expo. Tell us about that.
Yeah, it is actually the first time I've been to this event about reverse logistics. So Rla is an association that is like an authoritative body for best practice in reverse logistics. So if you want to gain insight and industry trends on reverse and return logistics, that's the best event to go. And yeah, definitely I've learned a lot from this event. You know, there are manufacturers, retailers, and also third-party logistic providers in this event. And they're talking about the reverse logistics and also circular economy, where the reuse, recycling, and the reselling of the goods that's being in order to prevent them to go to a landfill, to go to waste. So I think that's also very important for the environment, for the sustainability as well.
And what were the key takeaways from the event?
So the key takeaway for me is about how do we service our customers, especially when they have a demand for reverse logistic solutions, because we have we've always been active in developing a return logistics solution for our customers. And during the pandemic, there are lots of parcel returns from the consumers because of all sorts of reasons. And in order to help our clients to deliver a solution, a fast and a cost-effective solution, we have developed a new solution called e-turns, and also, well, especially on the high-value goods, we can provide the duty drawback service as well. So when you have paid the import tax, when the parcels are imported into UK, and once they are returned back to origin, you can do the duty drawback. So those are really, really beneficial for our logistic partners, and also for ultimately the e-retailers and online marketplaces.
Okay, and the event, as an association-run event, how did that compare to the traditional format?
Well, the event is very interesting because it has very good presentations where you gain really advanced information on reverse logistics, and also see business have invested in new technology, like AI technology, automation, so all sorts of different new technology in place that facilitate the process. But also there are exhibitions going on, different companies, whether you are a manufacturer or third-party logistic provider, or you are a repair and refurbish company, that they all can exhibit at the Expo, and you get the chances to talk to them as well. Those are the people that we don't normally get to talk to, because in other networks they're normally in the freight forwarding industry or the delivery industry.
And tell us about the existing challenges for the reverse logistics industry, and how CCL can assist RLA members.
Well, reverse logistics is very important for e-commerce business, because it plays a big role in achieving a customer satisfaction. Because usually, if you don't provide a cost-effective and a fast reverse return solution, and people probably will hesitate to buy from this brand, and sometimes they might drop the brand completely if they have to go through different hoops to get their parcel returned. So yeah, I think it is very crucial part of the to run an e-commerce business.
Well, especially as it's so booming, e-commerce is booming, right?
Yeah, exactly. Especially when it's growing so fast, everybody's competing on not just the on how good the quality is or the delivery part, but also the reverse logistic part. And yeah, so I think it's CCL will be able to help with that, and there are other business in the market to help e-commerce business with this.
And CCL TV have had the pleasure of interviewing their executive director Tony Schroeter on CCL TV
Yes.
recently. Are there any other developments between Rla and CCL TV?
Yeah, I think it's a very exciting times for CCL TV and Rla, because we have just established a a partnership with them, and we're going to the European Expo in June.
So we'll be there in June. And can you tell us a bit more about how CCL can help the Rla members?
So I think in terms of CCL TV, it's a very great educational platform. So for educating our partners on the services that CCL can provide, and also on the services that the members can provide. So I think all the members should utilize the CCL TV platform to really promote their service, to share the industry knowledge, and to provide that thought leadership piece.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing you at the next event. Thanks, Jason.
Thank you, Nadia.